Welcome back to Right Style Cooking TV. In this container I have 3 pounds of chicken, washed, cleaned and prepared. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon salt, and 1 teaspoon paprika. This recipe is called vegetable chicken. I rub these together. Marinate these pieces. They've been marinated for 30 minutes, half an hour. I'll see you a little later. I'm back and I'll be browning the chicken now. I had 2 tablespoons vegetable oil in the pot, and these pieces of chicken I'll be browning them for 20 minutes. When I'm adding the vegetables, I'll get back to you. Okay, the chicken is light brown. I'll be adding the vegetables now. Potatoes, 3 potatoes, 3 carrots, cut like this. String beans, cut about 1 inch in length. One medium zucchini, 3 medium tomatoes. tomatoes are cut wedges. Two small bell peppers. Now I'll be adding water to cover the vegetables. And give this a stir. Now cover it. And let it simmer for 20 minutes. How lovely it looks. Looks very delicious. See you when I'm adding the rest of the seasoning. Okay, I'm back. Going down into the final minutes of this recipe. Gonna add some more seasoning now. One teaspoon chili powder. One teaspoon oregano leaves. One teaspoon cumin. Three cloves garlic, chopped finely. And 2 medium onions chopped. I'm gonna stir it in. Wow. The aroma is great. Looks good. And you can bet it's gonna taste good. Okay, I'm gonna simmer this for another 20 minutes, then give it a taste test. See you then. Okay. Yeah. Jamaican vegetable chicken, or chicken with vegetables, is now finally cooked. I did some additional seasoning. I put some garlic, pimento, and a Scotch bonnet pepper, and adjusted the salt. It's all good now. Our aroma is excellent, and if you observe how beautiful it looks with all of those vegetable colors on the top. So that's it. Jamaican chicken with vegetables. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.